What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over 5 different ways that you can make money online, and we're doing this because a lot of you guys have told me that one of your main goals is to quit your full-time job and run your own online business. Not too long ago, this was one of my big goals too. And a little over a year ago, I quit my corporate job of 7 years, and I was actually able to replace my corporate salary. I was able to do this by trying out 5 different ways to make money online. So some of them I made a little bit of money and kind of gave up on, and other ones I have made thousands of dollars from. That's why in this video, I'm going to tell you what these 5 ideas are, how you can get started too, and also I'm going to share how much money I've made with each revenue stream. I'm saving the best for last, so if you're interested in knowing how much money I made with my largest revenue stream, then you're gonna wanna stay until the end. Alright guys, without further ado, let's just get into the 5 ways that you can make money online. Now, the first way to make money online is by print on demand. And print on demand is basically when you sell your original artwork or licensed graphics on mugs, t-shirts, blankets, etc. What makes print on demand so amazing is you're not the one that is actually making the product. You're not housing the inventory, you're not packaging the product, and you're not shipping the product. That is all done by the print on demand vendor. All you need to do is supply the graphic, go on a print on demand website, and choose the product you want to sell that graphic on. Upload your design to the print on demand site and add it to the product. Then you can add that print-on-demand listing to your Etsy shop, your Shopify shop, or you can choose a print-on-demand site that has a built-in marketplace like Zazzle, Redbubble, and Society6. You'll have to compare platforms for the best profit margins, but I just want to show you how you can set your profit margins on Printful. So here you can see that Printful will charge $7.95 for the shirt before taxes, fees, and shipping price. If you charge $11 for the shirt, then you will profit $3.05 from this order. Let's say you want to charge $18 for the shirt. Well, if you're able to sell the shirt at this price, then you will profit $10.05 every time someone orders. So if you want to sell on Etsy or your own Shopify website, let's say, choose to work with vendors such as Printed Mint or Printful. What I love is you can actually add your own logo and branding to your packages so you get more brand recognition from your customers. So if you're curious to get started and you're wondering, okay, how do I create these graphics or what do I do? Well, of course, if you're an artist or a designer, then you already know how to create your own graphics. But if you're not a designer, that's okay, because it's common to buy a license to other people's clip art and or fonts and create your own graphic in a program like Canva, which is free. Or if you think that's even too much, you can actually go on a website like Fiverr and commission a piece of artwork or a graphic for commercial use and use that graphic on various products that you want to sell. How much money did I make on print on demand? A whopping $67. So this was the idea that I actually realized wasn't for me, but to be honest, I didn't really give it a fair shot. I know that there are people out there making thousands of dollars every single month on print on demand, so if this sounds like something you're interested in, then definitely give it a try. So the second way you can make money online is through YouTube. Now, hold on a second, let me explain, because I don't mean from the obvious reason, which would be ad revenue. Yes, you can make a full-time salary from YouTube. YouTuber Gillian Perkins admitted to making $75,000 on her channel in 2020. But she has been making videos for years, and she's in a niche where you typically make more money. So it is possible, but it depends on a lot of factors. I started my channel in mid-2019, and 2020 I made over $5,000 in ad revenue on YouTube. It was my first year of being monetized, and that's obviously not enough money to live off of. But my point is that the ad revenue is just a bonus for me, because the real reason why YouTube is on this list is because of the potential it has to drive traffic and grow other streams of income. One stream of income you can grow by being on YouTube is sponsorships. And sponsorships pay around $2,000 to $10,000 on average per video. And of course, there are a lot of factors that go into it. If you're a really small channel, then it might be a lot less. But I was approached by companies that wanted to do paid collaborations and sponsorships when I had about 800 subscribers. So this is to say that you don't have to wait until you're monetized on YouTube and hope for that ad revenue. You can start making money because of your YouTube channel a lot earlier on. Aside from that, If you have paid products or any other type of service or subscription, YouTube is so powerful and can help you drive traffic to those revenue streams that you already have set up. The third way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when a company pays a commission to someone who refers them to others. For example, let's say I became an affiliate partner with the person who created this shirt. And I talked about how much I love this shirt on YouTube, and I linked my unique referral link in the description box below. Anyone who clicked on that link and purchased this shirt for themselves, I would receive a percentage of that sale from the company that created this shirt. And of course, you don't need YouTube to partake in affiliate marketing, but I'm just using YouTube because that's how I do my content marketing. So the commission you receive does vary company to company. Amazon Associates, which is basically probably one of the most popular affiliate partnerships that people join, they pay, don't quote me, I think it's around 4 to 10%, depending on what product it is, every time someone purchases through an Amazon Associate affiliate link. But honestly, Amazon affiliates is not my favorite way of making money through this revenue stream. I noticed that subscriptions and small companies actually pay better. So small businesses, because typically, let's say you're trying to promote a course, they will offer you 50%. So if you're promoting someone else's course and they're selling it for $2,000 and you refer 10 people, then you just made $10,000 and there's nothing else you need to do after that because it's not your course, it's someone else's. And for subscriptions, they usually pay anywhere between 15 and 30%. They will pay you that 15 to 30% every single month for that referral as long as that person stays subscribed under your referral link. So you basically sign someone up and then you make passive income every single month until they cancel. And to me, it is much more worth it to talk to these subscriptions that I already use and would recommend them to my audience than making 4 to 10% every time I refer a product from Amazon. And in the past year, I made about $1,400 with affiliate marketing. So how you can get started is by content marketing. So by starting a YouTube channel or by starting a blog or by growing your Instagram audience and recommending products that you actually use and love. So that's how you can get started with affiliate marketing. The next way that you can make money online is one of my favorite ways of making money online, which is selling your own digital products. I'm just gonna list down below videos where I help you come up with digital product ideas. But basically, what I love about digital products is no matter your skill level, you can get started today. Because if you already know how to use programs like Adobe Illustrator or you're already a graphic designer, well, you can start right now. But also, if you have no design experience, you can start right now by creating printables or by creating planners. And all you have to do is subscribe to Canva, and it's a free program unless you want to upgrade to Pro. And you can start creating digital products on their platform for free. And I also have tutorials on how to create digital products in Canva, and I'll list those down below as well. So I sell one type of digital product. I sell business thank you card templates. Pretty niche. And this past year alone, I have made $18,000 on this one product idea. So imagine if I filled my shop with all different types of templates. That's why I highly recommend creating and selling digital products on Etsy. I think that that's probably the fastest way you can turn a profit, and it's something you can just jump into and start today. So that would be my suggestion for you. And let's head to the next way you can make money online, which is selling online courses. This is the largest revenue stream of mine currently, and it's also the most work. But if you are down to do the work and you're passionate about helping someone achieve something, then online course creation could be for you. Basically, you take skills that you have, you package it up into a digital course, and you sell it to people that want to learn the things that you know. So there are courses from how to train your dog, to how to draw, to how to style your wardrobe. I mean, it's across the board. There's so many ideas. So whatever skills you have, you can package up and monetize. You just have to do some proper market research to validate the idea. And it doesn't have to be so overwhelming. It doesn't need to be like an 8-module course, and it doesn't need to take you a year to create. You can create something like a starter course where it's only $97 and it helps someone achieve a very specific result. And when you're ready, you can build a larger course and price it from $397 to $2,000 or even higher. So online courses are super profitable and anyone can really start them. It's just a matter of, will you have the patience to grow that audience, or do you have the budget to run ads to your sales page? So I created my course 8 months ago, and since then I have made $37,000 on this one course. And this is over the course of 8 months. Those were my 5 amazing ideas to make money online. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite money-making idea is. Let me know if you have any other ideas. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.